wake up, wake up, wake up. Look, it's raining. Whoa. Do you see that? Wake up. Snowflake. Okay. Whoa. Bruh. Look at all this, water. Come on. It's relaxing. Now we can get our drinks, though. Get my drinks. Oh, let's go in the deep. Ugh. Ow. My head. Come on, you coming? I just want to relax. Bruh, this is so much fun. Wait, do you want a Kimba? I'm a Kimba. Bruh, okay. Coming. Oh, I could jump. 3, 2, 1, Kimba. Can you land in the water? You try. 3, 2, 1, Kimba. Me? Oh, kind of. So, do you want to go there? No! I want to stay here. Bruh. I didn't even land in the water. Ugh. Oh my god. Let's go up here. You coming? Yeah, but I kind of want to stay here. Ooh, look over there. Let's go drink our water from there. Okay, let me. But look at this. No, come on, let's go. Whee! Okay. Ow. Ooh. It's so fun. Actually, this is a good one. I like this one. Come on, let's go. I'm coming. It was 5 minutes later, and they arrived to a cave. Oh, look at this cave. We could stay here and sleep. Come on, let's go. I'm coming. It was next morning. Come on, let's go. Okay. Watch for part 2. Like and subscribe. Bye.